We know that Alibaba has these huge spin-off plans, these listing plans, but still it doesn't seem to really be playing out perhaps as it had been forecast to do so. So was this withdrawal of the IPO a surprise at all?
Right. You know what? Not a surprise at all, because back in February, the company was already highlighting that the market conditions were not favorable for the actual realization of values for the number of the assets that's been slated for spins off, for the capital markets. And, to be honest, since last month, we've not seen a significant uptick in the market conditions. And clearly, I think the stock exchange has a deadline for Cainiao in terms of, an updated pre-listing documents. And everything in itself, to me, it's not a surprise at all.
Not a surprise, and in a lot of ways it makes sense strategically, right? What are you expecting from Alibaba Cainiao after this?
Right, absolutely. Now, look at the way they are now actually buying out the rest of the 36% of the minority stakes in Cainiao. That actually highlights the company's commitment towards growing the logistics business, which is a very integral part of the company's goal to actually get back market share, not just in China, but globally as well. So we've heard the company talk about, AliExpress, Ali's Express Choice, which is making waves in markets like Europe as well as the Middle East, etc. So, going forward, I do expect that Alibaba may hasten, the overall logistics expansion, and they have clearly highlighted at last night's call that they are committed and going to be very supportive of Cainiao's expansion going forward.